If you're struggling with 3D gel flowers, keep watching. This is the solid gel that I'm using today, and I did get this from Amazon. I actually hate painting gel flowers, so I am going to mix my gel polish with the product. Once the gel is completely mixed, now I can start my flower. For the gel flower, you will want to grab equal amounts of product and roll it up in a ball. I'm doing a 5-petal flower, so I'm placing 1 at the top, 2 at the side, and 2 at the bottom. For creating your flower, you will need a silicone tool just like this, and normally the builder gel comes with one. Also, alcohol is needed whenever you're sculpting with the builder gel. Pointing my silicone tool downwards, I am going to start to apply pressure to the middle of the bead. Most of my pressure is towards the center of the flower, and if you want the petals to be larger, you can continue to push down and back. Every once in a while, remember to go back into the alcohol so that your silicone tool is not dry. Next, I did get my eyeshadow palette. I'm grabbing a little bit of this yellow, and I'm going to start to pat it in the center of the flower. I did get inspired by this flower, and after doing this, I am going to go in with some orange gel polish. I only want the center to be orange, so I'm being very gentle, and I'm only using a little bit of gel. For all of my rhinestones, my favorite glue is Mia Secrets gel, and I'm going to place this in the center of the flower and then apply my caviar beads. This is how it looked once I was finished, and this is what it looks like after being top coated. Let me know if this helps and follow for more tutorials.